clean my tiny bathroom with me. This is honestly my favorite part of living in a camper slash RV is because I really don't have to spend too much time cleaning. I swear it took me less than 10 minutes to clean this whole entire bathroom. But yeah, I'm basically just removing all of the decorations and the little shelf I put up to hold our toothbrushes. And I'm just going to wipe everything down, you know, regular cleaning session. And I haven't really done anything new to the bathroom since the last time y'all saw it. But I was thinking maybe I can spray paint the frame for the mirror black. I think that would look very cute. And it will match everything else that I have in the bathroom because I painted the cabinet black, the shower curtain, and the shelves from Amazon. But yeah, I'm not too sure. It's kind of just up in the air. But anyways, how have y'all been? How's life? Are you guys excited for fall? Because I am so excited for fall. Like, I cannot wait. I really want to find cute little decorations to decorate the camper, you know, for fall and Halloween. But as of right now, I haven't seen anything because the space is very small. So I have to look for like miniature decorations or stuff that I can just put on the wall. But yeah, I don't know. I just got to keep looking and see what I can do. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I would love to hear all of the fall and Halloween decorating tips and tricks for tiny homes. But anyway, I'm just organizing these shelves because they were kind of messy. So I'm just throwing out products that aren't even full, like they have nothing in them. I don't know why they're there. So, you know, we just got to reorganize, refresh everything. And it's Sunday, so in case y'all didn't know, Sunday is National Cleaning Day because I said so. So, yeah, you know, we got to clean, reset for the week, and just get our shit together. But that's about it for this video. I had already cleaned the toilet and everything before I started making this. So, yeah, look at her. She's cute. Everything is in its place, and everything is nice and sparkling clean.